अगर मंजिलें हैं तो उन तक पहुंचने के जरिए भी। बस सोच चाहिए जो आपको उन जरियों तक पहुंचा सके। हम अपनी इस नई सीरीज उड़ान में आपको ऐसे कामयाब लोगों से मिलवाएंगे जिन्होंने डिजिटल क्रांति के जरिए सफलता की बुलंदियां चूमी। आज स्वतंत्रता दिवस के मौके पर मेरे साथ आप भी चलें पूरे देश के सफर पर कामयाबी की इन अनोखी दास्तानों को सुनने के लिए। ऐसी दास्तान जिनमें बदलाव का झोंका है। सपनों से हकीकत तक के इस नायाब सफर को हम आप तक अगले 6 हफ्ते तक लगातार लेके आएंगे। चांदनी चौक का जिक्र होते ही निगाहों में तस्वीर खिंच जाती है लजीज खानों, खूबसूरत साड़ियों और न जाने कितनी ही तमाम चीजों की। लेकिन इस बाजार में जहां पुरुष कारोबारी ही पूरी तरह हावी हो, वहां एक महिला ने अपने डिजिटल फैब्रिक प्रिंटिंग की नायाब डिजाइन के दम पर अपनी अलग और सफल पहचान बनाई है। आरती एक पत्नी, एक माँ और एक बेटी। इन्होंने स्नैपडील के जरिए अपने ब्रांड मी स्लीप को एक खास पहचान दी है।
ख्वाबों का, तेरे सपनों का।
I had my small in-house boutique, where I was just as a hobby. I was doing bed covers and bed sheets and all, designing it. And my husband was into hospitality industry. He was selling white bed sheets. So one fine day he comes home and he says, I've got this offer from Snapdeal wherein they want to have some event for Holi, for home furnishings. He's like, I've said no, I will not do anything. I said, hang on, let's think about it. I always had this need, that itch to do something. I mean, how much can you teach the kids? How much can you cook? How much can you join the kitties? कुछ तो करना है. I was never sitting idle. So I said, okay, let me hunt. I went out, Chandni Chowk में, started looking for fabrics. I had this idea, that Holi means balloons. Holi is colors. So why not do something very colorful, which is matching the colors of the balloon? So we made those first initial 5 balloon color cushions हमने बनाए and we threw it online. बहुत अच्छा response आया. It went very well. We kept doing it. थोड़ा time तक करा. But फिर वो हो गया, plain cushions बहुत हो गए. Let's do something on it. We did 10 to 12 designs initially. बनाया हमने अपना online डाला and they were like, wow, this is printing, you've got it done. And we were the pioneers for digital printing. There was nobody else who was doing it. It was amazing. Okay, this is my work, literally my work, absolutely. Then we thought, why just do the cushion covers? We started, adding the cushion covers to the bed sheets, combos बनाते हैं. I think there was no looking back after that. Chandni Chowk being a place, where you couldn't have girls into the office. It was not easy coming to Chandni Chowk because people look at you, oh, यहाँ पर आई है, यहाँ से काम करेगी. That attitude was there in Chandni Chowk.
अंदर आते थे तो डेफिनेटली सारे दुकानदार जो मेरे को जानते थे या जो नहीं भी जानते थे, वो सब डिफरेंट तरीके से देखते थे. एक आधे जने ने पूछा भी, क्यों भाई अपनी बीबी को क्यों लाने लगा? मैंने कहा जी काम करने आ रही है और मेरे से ज़्यादा अच्छा काम कर रही है.
Initially I was packing, I was doing everything. I remember coming onto the floor, sitting on the floor, packing my first packet and sending it across. क्वांटिटी इतनी बढ़ गई, नई नई चीज़ें आती रही. देन धीरे धीरे ऐसा लगा ये जगह छोटी पड़ रही है, नहीं कर पाएंगे. सो वी थॉट वी नीड टू शिफ्ट. जब यहाँ आते वी थॉट नाउ वी हैव टू हैव अ ओन प्रोडक्शन. दिस इज द प्लेस वेयर वी स्टार्टेड हैविंग ओन प्रोडक्शन. हमारा फर्स्ट इवेंट हुआ था एक स्नैपडील पे, मदर्स डे. सो दैट वाज द फर्स्ट इवेंट where we introduced cushions with the same design of the mugs, which went really hit.
Online is a very, very huge market. If I was in Chandni Chowk, मेरा दायरा छोटा सा था, चांदनी चौक का दायरा था या दिल्ली का दायरा था. ऑनलाइन ने मेरे को दायरा दे दिया इंडिया का. स्नैपडील ने they helped me with their keywords and meta tags and what not, how they promoted me कि वो मेरे को गूगल के फर्स्ट पेज पे ले आए. मेरे को इन्होंने कोने कोने तक पहुंचा दिया विदाउट एनी एक्स्ट्रा कॉस्ट या विदाउट कॉस्ट.
I remember the time where we slept in the office because we could not produce enough in a day. कुछ ना कुछ on a monthly basis we started adding the products. इतना जल्दी पिकअप करने लगा ई-कॉमर्स कि हम लोग ऐसा हमारे पास पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं होती थी कि we could get the stuff from out. So it had to be ready in the office. The moment order comes, you had to pack it and you had to deliver. So that's why we thought कि space अब कम रह रहा है, सब कुछ है. Then we thought there is no gradual change. We have to, ultimately take the big step. We have to totally go into flows where we're going to have one production, one management, one packing unit. So that was the big change from here.
It's like a creation. You feel you've created this from doing everything manually to having people doing it for you. It's just, it's like you walk in and you just supervise. That is the good part about e-commerce. आप कहीं से भी काम कर सकते हो. Even if you're at home, you can work. You're in office, you can work. And there is no time limit. अगर रात को भी 12 बजे you get an idea, you just sit and you start working.
It's Meesli was my baby. We nurtured it into this. The vision is to have Meesli in every household. Everybody should know there is a brand called Meesli.
I feel every female should do online business. Firstly, homemaker everybody is. All females can do their work. Once you start doing something, everybody in the house starts taking you seriously. They understand that you are something.
तो कंट्रीब्यूशन तो सब कुछ मैडम का ही था, आरती का ही था. आई एम अ सोर्सिंग मैन, बस. बाकी तो शी इज रनिंग द शो.
I was somebody's mom, somebody's daughter, somebody's wife. Now I am what I am. Everybody knows me for what I am.
आइए अब रुख करते हैं कोलकाता का. कोलकाता, द सिटी ऑफ जॉय. कोलकाता की अपनी एक आत्मा और अपना एक अंदाज है. यहाँ एक निश्चय के साथ रोजाना नए सपने बुने जाते हैं. कोलकाता के रहने वाले गौरव की कहानी ये बताती है कि दुनिया में कुछ भी नामुमकिन नहीं, और ये भी सिखाती है कि कामयाब से कामयाब इंसान अपनी सफलता को नई ऊंचाइयों तक ले जा सकता है. अपने इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स बिजनेस को नए जोश और नई सोच के साथ गौरव ने वेब प्लेटफॉर्म के जरिए सफलता की नई ऊंचाई हासिल की.
ख्वाबों का, तेरे सपनों का चुन रास्ता.
This is my first property. This is where I've spent 10 years, throughout, from 2002 to 2013. We had about 7 retail stores. थोड़ा बहुत distribution network था, trading था. I was somebody, but not a recognized somebody. Meaning, I had done well for myself, so I was known to people. But I was not first off onto things. Urge for getting more was always there. So anything new, innovative, I want to get into that. यहाँ से जब मैं आगे बढ़ा, दूसरी ऑफिस में शिफ्ट किया, वहाँ पर हमने पूरा अपना ऑनलाइन काम किया, तो उसके बाद सब कुछ बदल गया. I read in the papers that online market share in the US and China and Europe, the entire retail market में 20% share is online. Investors getting into Snapdeal. The moment I read that, I came here. I spoke to my main person. I said, today we have to start Snapdeal. I had no hang of it, how to work on it, what to do, whether you have to register या क्या करना होता है, कुछ material डाल दो अपने आप बिक जाता है, क्या होता है. I had no hang of it. Snapdeal has a very good seller help, which helps you with everything. So we put in our inventory, and by God's grace, वी स्टार्ट गेटिंग ऑर्डर्स। जो 10 प्रोडक्ट्स मैंने स्टार्ट किए उसमें सब में मैंने इन्वेंट्री डाली होगी 2-2, 5-5 पीस। डे एंड में सब खाली। Again we listed a lot of products. Fortunately, orders trebled the next day. मतलब अगर 40 ऑर्डर थे, next day 120 आ गए. So again we took the seller's help and also there was this courier guy coming to us. They organized that for us and someone picked up and the material went. Online immediately it shot up to about 20-30% of my business very fast. And I didn't know it's going to grow at that pace. So you have to keep up with that pace. To keep up with that pace, you have to keep recruiting people, putting on machines so that everything is managed properly. I didn't have a separate space where I could put in people, 5 or 6 people sitting on the floor and packing. I took the second floor in the meantime on rent. Then I took my own warehouse. There I shifted all my packing and everything there. The positive thing which I felt was foresight and not giving it up. My business from 1992 has grown annually at about 20% to 30% rate. Now all of a sudden I get online into my business and I see there's a growth of 10% every month, which takes you to about 100% in the year. You think what's going to happen to me? I was excited, I was motivated, I wanted to largely invest into it, make it my major business. मैं अपने इन्वेंट्री बढ़ाता गया, लिस्टिंग कराता गया. So my portfolio became so big कि automatically my daily sales, whether one product is the lowest or second product, कुछ ना कुछ प्रोडक्ट के तो ऑर्डर आ ही रहे थे. My primary was distribution, secondary was retail and third was online. Today the scenario is my primary business is online. It changed my entire system, changed my entire business, changed my entire thought process, the way I look at business. So I've got 10 computers, 10 separate people doing it. So I've got 10 more shops within a span of 6 months. 70% of the people इसको complex समझकर, complexity देखकर छोड़ दिए. It is not. 2014 में दिवाली टाइम में डेली 600-700 डब्बे पैक होते थे. But fortunately उसी दौरान SD Plus आ गया. So which was a major relief for us. तो सारा मेरा काम आधा हो गया. स्नैपडील के वेयरहाउस में मेरा मटेरियल रहता है. ऑर्डर आते हैं, उनके लोग पैक करते हैं, उनके लोग इनवॉइस बनाते हैं, उनके लोग डिस्पैच करते हैं. इट सेव्ड मी एवरीथिंग. ऑल माय पीपल कैन जस्ट बी इन द पैनल एंड डू सेल्स. बारह घंटे आप काम कर रहे हो लेकिन माल बेच रहे हो 24 घंटे. दिस ऑनलाइन सेल्स 24 hours is doing for you sales. Whether your office is open, even if you're sleeping, holidaying, whatever, it is doing the sales.
इस उड़ान का नहीं कोई सिरा, हर सपना नया, सब है मुमकिन, नहीं कोई मुश्किल.
आज मेरी रात को करीब 10 बजे सपोजिंग किसी से डील होती है, मैं उसी टाइम डील डन कर सकता हूँ. I do it right there on the app. I just make my inventory 1000 units and my sale starts then and there. Fortunately यहाँ पर सिनेरियो ये है ऑनलाइन में, I get my payment assured 7 days. मेरा जितना सेल होता है 7 दिन के अंदर मेरे पास पूरा पैसा आ जाता है and never delayed. So it's a very secured way of doing business and very mental satisfaction and peace is there. मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस और बूस्ट हुआ and we have grown leaps and bounds after that. I'm still not settled. Now whatever I've done it in Calcutta with online. Now I have to go to other states also. So I'm still not settled. So I'll never be settled hopefully. I don't want to be settled. I think I'm 34th. So now I'm gunning to become number 1 in Snapdeal जल्दी से जल्दी. आज 70 जन को हम नौकरी दे सके और 70 जन के घर चल रहे हैं उसकी वजह से. उधर में क्या था, उधर कुछ भी नहीं थे. So that is my only feeling towards this. What I'm passionate about is continuous growth. I want to keep growing and keep growing. Actually, I want that.
इस सीरीज में हम आपकी मुलाकात ऐसे लोगों से करवा रहे हैं जिनमें आत्मविश्वास और जुनून है, डिजिटल स्पेस में कदम रखकर ई कॉमर्स की मदद से अपनी जिंदगी और अपने बिजनेस को सफलता की नई बुलंदियां देने का. अब हम रुख करेंगे तमिलनाडु के शहर तिरुपुर का. हम आपकी मुलाकात करवाने वाले हैं बाला से. जिन्होंने अपनी बेहतरीन नौकरी सिर्फ इसलिए छोड़ दी क्योंकि उन्हें अपने सपने को पूरा करना था। बाला ने एंथ्रा के नाम से अपने फैशन लेबल की शुरुआत की और ऑनलाइन बिजनेस के जरिए बाला ने अपने एंथ्रा ब्रांड को घर घर तक पहुंचा दिया।
When I started working, started from some amount. 5 years on the job, I would have reached to a certain level. I wanted to start something of my own and wanted to build it, even if it is a small one. Everywhere, family, everybody were asking me a question, why do you want to quit a job? Nobody knows about what I am trying to do, and there is something which is in my mind, I wanted to explain them. Since my background is from Kasavu Sari, I wanted to take Kasavu sarees and spread it across India. E-commerce was booming. Why my thinking, my thought, everything happened because if it would have been an offline, I would not have thought also, carrying stuff, showing to shop and getting orders and sending it and getting payments. All these things are long process and I don't want to go ahead with that. It has to be very clean and it has to be very simple business where I have to make money. I started with my product and it was Kasavu sarees. Very rarely few people wear it. Every female has some concept of buying a saree. They wanted to check 10-20 sarees and purchase one. And more than that, my mom told me I should touch and see the product. I don't buy a saree without touching and feeling it. So in this saree, we will be having some designs that has to be focused. Pallu will be having some designs, it need to be focused also. Snapdeal was the one I approached and they also preferred me and got many ideas from the team. Initially, I was looking for guidance. I used to get calls from them like, what have you done? What is the process? Where are you? And if anything is stuck or something, like they used to guide me. You do cataloging and bring those sarees online so we can market your product. They have an office from my region itself. Chennai is my area and I have an account manager. So it clicked. After uploading it in 7 to 8 days, I got an sale.
ख्वाबों का तेरे सपनों का चुन रास्ता.
The first sales was from New Delhi. My confidence level went 3 times more. Someone is from Delhi who is buying a product from Tirupur.
ख्वाब आज का सच होगा कल का तुझे वास्ता.
Went home, told my mom, I have sold a piece. This was her expression also. Really, she did not believe it. Actually, I bought a packet and showed her, this is what I'm going to courier it. I felt like I should not start only with Kasavu saree. I wanted to scale it with different options. I started adding cotton saree, silk saree also I started adding it. Then there is an expansion of category where Snapdeal helped me to expand the categories also. I can sell t-shirts, kids wear, pillows. I can sell whatever I wanted. When we started doing a business and it is working out, there is a mind which says like always create something innovative. The innovation what I am trying to do is like, the sarees is meant for women and ladies, and these sarees are, it's for a festival purpose. For Onam they wear it, and the Vishu they wear it. But I want this to be wear day-to-day life. My concept is something like, the product has to fit for all girls and even the ladies who go for office work. right now I have a launch of Kasavu kurtis for this Onam. This is what I have and something innovative for customers also. Snapdeal is the place where I can experiment. You know, the result comes in very fast. In any other business, if you are testing it, you will get the result after 3 months or 4 months. Here it is not the case. I will get a result in a week. Business is something different from the job. When I come back to the business, it is something like, scratch. You can say 1.5 years, I have achieved to the level where I was earlier. And right now, I wanted to expand it in 10 times more than what I was. So that is what my full focus is on.
भारत में डिजिटल रेवोल्यूशन ने उन लोगों के लिए चमत्कार ही कर दिया है जिन्हें विश्वास है कि वो एक ना एक दिन किसी बड़े काम को अंजाम देंगे। ऐसे न जाने कितने सपने सफलता की कहानियों में तब्दील हुए और मिसाल बने देश में बदलती सोच और नई महत्वाकांक्षाओं के। अगले हफ्ते फिर हम आपको लेकर चलेंगे कामयाबी के ऐसे ही सफर पर और मिलवाएंगे ऐसे ही कामयाब लोगों से। तब तक आप अपने सपनों को पंख देने की कोशिश करें ताकि आप भी दे सकें अपनी जिंदगी को एक नई उड़ान।